A languid, melancholic-looking young woman sits slumped on a chair, apparently fast asleep. But in actual fact, she is no longer alive. This is Lucretia, a Roman patrician who became a symbol of honor and loyalty when she stabbed herself with a dagger after being raped. Despite the violence of the theme, there is no melodrama in this representation. On the contrary, the notion conveyed is that of a virtuous spirit's noble resignation to death. The only visible signs of violence are the wound in Lucretia's breast and the dagger at her feet.
This heroic, noble interpretation of pain is one of the features most typical of neoclassicism, the predominant artistic style at the end of the 18th century and in the first few decades of the 19th century. This period saw the rediscovery of numerous classical works dating back to Roman times, and these sources provided thematic and formal models for sculptors. Works of great simplicity and linear purity began to appear, this rendering of Lucretia being a good example. The recreation of fabric in sculpture was also inspired by ancient art, producing folds and, as we can see here, an impression of transparency in clothing which makes the figure appear almost as a nude. Although many of the sculptures produced during this period were executed in marble, in imitation of ancient works, this one is cast in bronze.
The work was produced by Damià Campeny, a key figure in Catalan neoclassicism during his stay in Rome in 1803. The original sculpture was executed in marble and is now conserved in La Llotja in Barcelona.